to talk about a book which I have read on 2021, and I think one of the best book I have read on 2021 was this book. So yeah, without further delay, let me reveal the book. So it is Mint Your Money by Pranjal Kamra. So I think few of you must have already read this book, or maybe you have heard about it on Bookstagram and maybe in somewhere else. So this book is really a masterpiece for all the beginners who are like just stepped in terms of finance. Like maybe you have started earning, maybe you have joined a new job, or maybe you have started a new business. So what you need to do, like first thing what we need to do, like how to handle our finance, how to do this bank stuffs and all these things, and how to start doing investment. So these few terms might be a bit heavy. Like for me it was heavy, like I don't know about investment and what all those things, but I read this book and literally this is a very helpful one. So basically it's a 101 guide for all the bank details. Like generally we are aware about very few terms and very few policies of any bank or any sort of thing, but this book will give you some sort of a summary so that you can refer to it, and whenever, like if next time you're going to a bank, then you can at least refer to it. Okay, yeah, I have read it, so this is that thing. So yes, it's a must read book if you want to learn about accounts, if you want to learn about finance and all those things, and want to manage your financial part in a bit better way, then please go for it, read this book. And another thing is, for me, yeah, it's a very helpful book. Like so far, like I do refer it sometimes whenever I need to like get some idea about few account things. But if you are from the accounts background itself, like maybe you are studying commerce, or maybe you are studying CA or something like that, then I don't think so you will be needing this book, because this all knowledge you have already gathered while you're college. So yeah, in that case maybe it will not be a very good read, but for me it was an amazing read. And literally I just love this book. It's beginner friendly, it's easy to read, it's very understandable and not so long. So yeah, definitely a big go for all the beginners. And another thing, like if you don't want to read the book, then also you can just refer to Pranjal Kamra's YouTube channel. There he shares all the good stuffs about finance and accounts and many other things. Like I'm also learning, so I also don't know all these stuffs. So yeah, you can refer to his YouTube channel to get more details. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Keep reading, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye.